Today I'm going to make a beautiful floral tiara, and that is perfect for the weddings, bridesmaid, and for the birthday, for the little princess, and even it can be used as a handmade gift for someone special. So let's get started. First I have taken this wire string which I got it from a hardware shop just for around 10 or 20 rupees. Then I measured it according to the head size and then secured it tightly. Now here is my favorite part, that is making these flowers. The tutorial of these flowers you can find it in my other videos. I'll attach the video in the description also. It is super simple and it is made up of pipe cleaner. And honestly, these flowers are so easy to make and so versatile that you can use them not only for the tiaras but also in the bouquets, hair clips, hair bands, room decor, gift decoration, and so much more. Pipe cleaner flowers are becoming super trendy these days because they last much longer than natural flowers and they still look incredibly beautiful. So here I have just given a pink touch in the center for the white flowers, and you can see the complete change in the look. And also I have attached a white small half cut bead in the center using the glue. You can make use of the hot glue gun. Here I have just made a fabric glue that also will work out. For my tiara I have made use of around 20 to 25 flowers. So it depends on the size of the tiara. Depending on that you can do it. Next, after the flowers are ready, I wanted some leaves on the flowers because flowers are incomplete without the leaves. So here I am making the leaves again using the pipe cleaner. You can see the pipe cleaner, and I've just made use of only 2 pipe cleaners, just with small cuttings and then just a small bend. Nothing fancy over here for the leaves, just a small bend. And then I have attached the pipe cleaner using the hot glue gun. So if you want to try the pipe cleaner flowers or want to gift a bouquet on your own, please check out my other videos where I have made the pipe cleaner flowers in other videos, where you can easily learn. Even a beginner can do it very easily. So here I am just attaching it with the hot glue gun. So once it is done, we'll begin the next tiara process. Here I am just making the tiara, but using this pipe cleaner you can not only make bouquets, you can make pots, you can make fridge magnets, you can make key chains and much more. Even the hair clip with these small little flowers, you can go for the hair clip, you can make the handband or a scrunchie on decorative flowers and many more things. For the base of the tiara, I wrapped the ring using the bright green lace like material. You can also use a green pipe cleaner if you want. I really love this shade of green because it gives such a fresh and vibrant look. After covering the entire ring, it was finally time to attach the flowers using the hot glue gun. So I carefully fixed each flower onto the tiara base one by one. I actually wanted to add a cute bow at the end, but there wasn't enough space, so I dropped the idea. But you can also attach it, but honestly it still turned out so pretty. I got the inspiration for this design from Instagram. It's not completely my original creation, but I added my touch and style while recreating it. The moment I saw it, I knew I had to try making it for myself. I really hope you all like this beautiful tiara. If you enjoyed watching, don't forget to like, share and comment below. And if you would like to order one for your princess, feel free to contact me on Instagram. And here is the final look of the tiara. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next creative video.